Hey guys, and welcome to Digit. Today we have with us the ADATA SU650 SSD. As you can see, it's got a capacity of 240GB and it's based on 3D NAND architecture, which, as opposed to 2D NAND architecture, is more efficient, consumes less power, and is able to store more data. As you can see, we can see the SSD through the clear packaging. So let's turn it around and see if we've got some more information. So on the back, we can see that we've got a read speed of 520 Mbps and a write speed of 450 Mbps. We've also got a warranty and a QR code that you can scan for more details. We still recommend that you check out the Amazon page for all the details on the warranty of this device. Over here, we've got the importing and manufacturing details and also contact for customer care if need be. So let's get into the packaging. So we've got some more information on the inside, including warranty statement, policy, and the limitations of the warranty. But again, we'd recommend that you check with the Amazon page for more details on the warranty. So here we've got the ADATA SU650 unpackaged, and as you can see, it's got the standard 2.5-inch form factor. We've got the ADATA branding on the front, and it's quite a lightweight SSD with a plastic build. We've got the standard SATA cable and power cable slots on the side, and we've got a little more information on the back, but that's basically just the dimensions of the SSD and a warranty code. And that's about it for the ADATA SU650 SSD. Thanks for watching.